Can I please be free to go because I haven't committed any crime, sir?
No, sir, you're not free to go.
What am I being detained for? What crime? What reasonable suspicion? What crime have I committed? Why am I being detained?
What's the emergency?
Well, we had a neighbor that was shooting bottle rockets and fireworks at the house, and we asked him to kindly stop. He started talking a bunch of smack, and then he pulled it on and pointed it at my husband's face.
And you're at 4638?
Yes. When I said I was calling the police, he said it's fake, but my wife has a real one.
But you're not sure if it's fake or not?
I don't know.
Okay. Is this guy black, white, or Hispanic?
White.
What's he wearing?
He's wearing a black shirt and khaki shorts.
All right, go inside and lock the doors. We're going to get officers out.
We will. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
I did too, because I was like, oh, and then I was like, maybe it was 5'8".
4638 is the call, and 4635, I guess.
35 is on the right side then. That's right. So the solution to you setting off fireworks is me to shoot you. It's a fair trade. Hello? Yeah, I see you'll be over there in a moment. Make sure the guns are put away, please.
You don't have any firearms, officer.
Okay.
194.
You mind
Do you have
step?
any warrants?
I'm sorry?
Do you have any warrants?
Warrants for what?
For your 16S are code 4.
Any arrests?
And the 16C.
Why are you asking a
on
question
West
like that?
Broad Street
Because I'm asking questions to you. You're a police
Code
officer.
4. That's a.
I just asked you about a gun. Don't fucking touch that gun.
This isn't
I
a gun.
don't.
This isn't a gun.
I can't tell if it's a real one or not.
Look.
Don't touch the fucking
No,
gun.
my hands are way up here. Look, it's
Step
not.
out.
It's not a
Step
gun.
out.
Here, look.
Step out.
What's going on? Look.
Step out. Down. Face.
Grab it. Just grab
Go to the ground.
Get on the
Fucking ground.
Do what the fuck you're told.
Holstering up. Reaching
What
back.
is going on? Hey, I need a lawyer. Get these guys' names and badge numbers.
Yes,
This is
you
ridiculous.
can. My name is Adkins, 3061.
Give me your
That's
other
my
badge.
personal property, sir.
I don't give a shit what you got in your personal property right now. I got him pinned.
Why are you talking to me like this? Why are you treating me like this? I have health conditions, sir.
Shit, what you got this exact moment?
You don't care.
No, not this moment. I don't.
Call 911.
I am
Yeah,
911.
you call 911, then she's going to get arrested for calling 911.
Oh, I don't believe that.
I don't care what you believe at this exact goddamn moment.
Oh, really? Goddamn, huh?
Turn
Why don't
over.
you kill me then, goddamn?
Sit up.
Go ahead. I'll tell God.
Sit up.
I'll tell God. I know God. Really well. I know you think you know what you got to do. I know goddamn.
Calm down.
You said it.
Oh, God.
I don't care. I told him 3 times it wasn't. It was in my pocket. I'm in my own property. What are you doing? Get in there and lock the door. Call 911!
I am 911.
No, you're not. You don't have any.
Who do you think they're going to send if you call 911?
Somebody to get your asses off of me because you guys are crazy. What are you doing this for? I'm not a bad guy. I know why they called. Because they thought I was doing something I wasn't. And that guy that called me.
Turn away from him.
Listen. That guy that called me told a lie. Are you guys gonna listen?
Gun on roof.
Spread your feet. Spread your feet. Look away from me.
Well, I gotta make sure you're not trying to steal my things.
I'm trying to take your shit.
I don't believe you. You're liars, and right now what you're doing is ungodly. If you hurt me, you'll be answering to God.
Answer to God every day, sir.
You're going to answer differently if you hurt me.
Rotate. Look to the window.
I have handcuffs on. What am I going to do?
Spit. Bite.
I don't do that.
Yeah, you don't have a gun on either, you said.
I don't own a gun. That's not a gun, is it? It's
Yeah,
an
it is a
air
gun.
gun. It's not a firearm. It's
What was
completely
that last
legal.
word you said?
It's not a firearm.
Sit in the car.
It's not a firearm. It's for my personal protection. Did he say I pulled it on him?
Sit on
Because
the car.
I pulled the air gun on because he walked up on me and threatened me.
Fucking idiots. Fuck what a fuck is. I'm gonna roll your camera. Yeah.
Why am I not free to go? Why am I being detained? Why have you detained me, officer?
Sir, what is your name?
My name?
Yeah.
My name's Nathan. I asked why I've been...
And your last name, sir? Your last name?
Lambright.
Thank you, sir.
I want to be as cooperative as I can, and the officer approached my home, and I said, I know why you're here, and I said, do you have any warrants, or do you have any warrants to search? And he immediately just flipped and pulled out a gun on me and said, don't reach for my gun. My gun's an air gun. It's a non-lethal self-protection air gun. It was bought online from an online reputable dealer. I let him know right away that it wasn't a firearm. That would have been stupid.
And yet,
Guns don't look like that.
here we are.
Guns don't look like that. Real guns don't look like that.
And here we are, sir.
Can I please be free to go because I haven't committed any crime, sir?
No, sir, you're not free to go.
What am I being detained for? What crime? What reasonable suspicion? What crime have I committed? Why am I being detained?
Her roommate hit him with a grill. The kitchen's on fire, and he's not the lady.
Told him to knock it out. He took these big sprinklers and he's like doing sprinklers on the top of the car.
Give a complaint.
So the mail
All right.
says, "Don't touch my car. I'm gonna beat your ass." So
He's spraying water on his car.
no sprinklers,
Sprinklers.
like the fire.
Oh, not water
Sparklers.
sprinklers.
Sparklers.
Okay, okay.
Not sprinklers. Sparklers.
Yeah, I was thinking sprinkler water.
Yeah. He's like flailing sparklers over top of the car. Don't touch my car, I'm gonna beat your ass. Then he walked back, he came back, he said something, he knocked on the door and ran away. He comes back out again. He's like, dude, just stop. Yeah, we're not interested in trouble, just knock it off.
Right.
That's when he pulls the gun out of his pocket and says, I'll shoot you in your fucking face.
Yeah. Pretty simple.
And then she screams, I'm calling 911. He's like, it's fake, it's fake.
Nathan Lambright was arrested and charged with aggravated menacing for causing another to believe that the offender will cause serious physical harm to that person. His case was dismissed 2 months later on September 17th of the same year.